everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Petal is Blessed, and I'm coming on today with a lovely Christmas decor idea to share with you. And these are the items that we're using for today's DIY. So I have this clear vase here from the Dollar Tree, and I have these little knobs that I got from Amazon. And we have these little clear rocks here. You can get them from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We have some Christmas ornaments, these little Christmas balls here in gold. We have our bling sheet here that I got from BB Craft. And we have these round planks here that I got from my local dollar store. Just some round planks. I think they are 8 by 8. Yeah, I think that's what they are. So here's all the items that we're using into today's DIY, so you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, here is our finished look. Our nice and easy glam candle holder using dollar store items and a little bit more. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And here it is with a candle inside. And this is how it looks with a small candle. You can have a bigger candle. I don't really have one, but I'll show you a taller candle. It looks nice, although it's a little too tall, but I'm just giving you an idea of how it would look. Alright, I hope I have inspired you with another lovely Christmas DIY decor for you to do using items from the dollar store and more. Alright everyone, I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye everyone.